How to log out your Binance account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to log out your Binance account. In order to log out from your Binance account, it's a very simple process. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now first thing, make sure that you're already logged into your Binance account, and once you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the interface, which is going to look something like this. So right on this page, you have to go ahead and tap on the profile from the top left hand side corner. Then it's going to take you to your profile info page, and here as well go ahead and tap on your ID and go to security. While you're on the security page, it's going to take you to this interface where you have to scroll down a bit and you need to go to manage account. Then you'll be able to see two different options, that is to either disable account or delete account. Since you're logging out, tap on disable account, and here you'll be able to see all of these informations, and if you're sure about it, then click the disable button, and for the confirmation it's going to ask you to type in the password associated with your Binance account and confirm it by entering the following information. So that's how you can log out your Binance account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.